Hey everyone, I am going to show you how to access Learning Alley. I know that your teachers have put it in your assignment like this one right here, but on the Chromebooks, we have to use an app to open it. So you're going to come down here to your launcher, click it, click the little arrow, and inside here you're going to go find Learning Alley. And so when I scroll down, I actually will see it on mine right here, but yours may be somewhere else. But this is the icon that you're looking for, Learning Alley. Click it, and you'll have a little screen that pops up. And inside here, you're going to put your username and your password. And once you click on log in, it'll log you in and take you to your bookshelf. Now, all you have to do is click that book, click the little arrow that has a button that says read it, and look what happens. It'll load the book and it'll actually start reading it for me.
Chapter 1. My name is India Opo Baloney, and last summer my dad.
Now, you can also increase the size of your screen by dragging it, or you can actually open it like this so it blows it up completely. I hope this helps you. Have a good day.